Matu, Francyne Wase-Jacklick. I think it's so powerful. I'm very inspired by all of the presentations that have been exposed this week, and just the amazing work that all of us can do together, and just try to see how we can address some of the challenges that any of us are currently faced with the limited resources. So it's almost like how we're doing back home and the experiences we're faced with. So I think it's just powerful, and I'm very moved and inspired by all of the amazing speakers that came out all the way to Alaska. Model.
Would you invite other or recommend other Pacifica Islander people to come to?
Oh, yes. For a first time participant, I think just be ready to share and just embrace the cultures that we all, and just really just to be here with everyone and to just come.
Thank you.
Yeah.